Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby frock designs, different color designs, ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most creative activities, most stylish ideas for creative and beautiful ladies. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end. So dear friends, if you want to buy this very stylish collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get every stylish crochet material like this crochet baby frogs and others like crochet baby romper designs, baby scarf designs, baby poncho designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, short gloves, long gloves, fingerless gloves, women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, women caplet, women poncho designs, and women circular jackets, neck warmers, and in jewelry, women necklace designs, earring designs, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like crochet, women anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more. Dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. You can order to get the very stylish crochet baby frock designs of your choice. You can get the stylish baby frock designs from your relatives who live in Pakistan. We live in Pakistan. Dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, keep visiting my channel and also subscribe my channel. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.